Welcome to EDISLA. Today we're comparing two popular 114 mm reflector telescopes, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 and our very own EDISLA Astra 114. Both share the same aperture size, but their design, build quality, and performance set them worlds apart. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114. It features a 114 mm spherical mirror paired with a claimed 1000 mm focal length. However, it achieves this through a Bird-Jones design. This means it uses a plastic lens inside the optical path to artificially extend the focal length of its short optical tube. You can easily check if a telescope is a true Newtonian by inserting a pencil into the focuser. If there's no obstruction, it's a true Newtonian. If there's an obstruction, it means there's a plastic lens inside, indicating a Bird-Jones design. The Bird-Jones design is a cost-cutting method that uses a built-in lens to simulate a longer focal length, but it compromises image quality and ease of collimation. StarSense also comes with an alt-azimuth mount in a yoke design, which is common in beginner-level telescopes. What sets the StarSense apart is its smartphone navigation technology, allowing users to locate celestial objects with the help of the StarSense app. Now, let's look at the Astra 114. It features a true Newtonian design with a parabolic mirror, no spherical compromises here. This high-quality mirror is coated with our patented EDISLA Vivid technology, ensuring bright and distortion-free images. The focal length is 450 mm, and there are no shortcuts like additional lenses in the optical path. The mount? A tabletop Dobsonian known for its rock-solid stability. While it doesn't include built-in navigation, you can easily pair it with free open-source apps like AstroHopper for a similar experience. So, how do these telescopes perform? Let's find out by focusing on a distant tower. First up, the StarSense Explorer 114. Using the included 25 mm eyepiece, the image appears hazy and riddled with chromatic aberrations. The spherical mirror and Bird-Jones design don't do it any favors, resulting in a significant loss of clarity and sharpness. Now, let's switch to the Astra 114. With the provided 20 mm Plössl eyepiece, the image is crystal clear, no chromatic aberrations, no distortion, just sharp and bright views. The parabolic mirror and quality accessories make all the difference here. Also, our nighttime test results clearly show there's no comparison. StarSense falls far behind the Astra in terms of image clarity, sharpness, and overall performance. So why does the Astra outperform the StarSense so easily? It comes down to design and build quality. The Astra's parabolic mirror ensures sharper images compared to the spherical mirror of the StarSense, which introduces unavoidable distortions. The Bird-Jones design further degrades performance by adding unnecessary optical elements. In contrast, Astra is a true Newtonian reflector, free of these compromises. It doesn't stop at optics. Every component of the Astra 114 is built to last, from the stainless steel screws to the precision-engineered spider and mirror cell. Meanwhile, the StarSense 114 relies heavily on plastic components, which compromise both stability and durability. Even the mount makes a huge difference. The Astra's tabletop Dobsonian is far more stable than the wobbly yoke mount of the StarSense, ensuring a better observing experience. Now about StarSense's smartphone navigation. While it's a handy feature, it's not a necessity. The red dot finders that come with telescopes are quite effective for locating objects in the night sky, providing a simple and intuitive way to aim your telescope. Still, if you want similar functionality, check out our video on the AstroHopper app, which works seamlessly with any telescope, including the Astra 114. Ultimately, aperture isn't the only factor that matters. Quality makes all the difference. A well-built telescope like the Astra can easily outperform even larger models with inferior optics and design. If you're looking for a high-quality, frill-free telescope that delivers incredible performance and will last for years, the EDISLA Astra 114 is the perfect choice. On the other hand, the Celestron StarSense Explorer 114 may appeal to those prioritizing smartphone navigation, but it comes at the cost of optical performance and durability. That's it for today's comparison. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show how a high-quality Astra telescope can easily outperform Celestron's AstroMaster 130 model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EDISLA if you found this video helpful. See you next time.